Chapter 2. My son, when you come to serve Yahweh, prepare yourself for trials. Be sincere of heart and steadfast, undisturbed in time of adversity. Cling to him, do not forsake him, thus your future will be great. Accept whatever befalls you. In crushing misfortune, be patient. For in fire gold is tested, and worthy men in the crucible of humiliation. Trust God and he will help you. Make straight your ways and hope in him. You who fear Yahweh, wait for his mercy. Do not turn away lest you fall. You who fear Yahweh, trust him, and your reward will not be lost. You who fear Yahweh, hope for good things, for lasting joy and mercy. Study the generations long past and understand. Has anyone hoped in Yahweh and been disappointed? Has anyone preserved in his fear and been forsaken? Has anyone called upon him and been rebuffed? Compassionate and merciful is Yahweh. He forgives sins. He saves in time of trouble. Woe to craven hearts and drooping hands, to the sinner who treads a double path. Woe to the faint of heart who do not trust, who therefore will have no shelter. Woe to you who have lost hope. What will you do at Yahweh's visitation? Those who fear Yahweh do not disobey his words. Those who love him keep his ways. Those who fear Yahweh seek to please him. Those who love him are filled with his law. Those who fear Yahweh prepare their hearts and humble themselves before him. Let us fall into the hands of Yahweh and not into the hands of men. For equal to his majesty is the mercy that he shows, and equal to his name are his works.
I am bound for the promised land. 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 Oh, who will come and go with me? I am bound for the promised land. On Jordan's stormy banks I stand and cast a wishful line to Canaan's fair and happy land, where my possessions lie. I am bound for the promised land. I am bound for the promised land. Oh, who will come and go with me? I am bound for the promised land. Over all those wide extended plains shines one eternal day. There God the Son forever reigns and scatters night away. Bound for the promised land. I am bound for the promised land. Oh, who will come and go with me? I am bound for the promised land. No chilling winds or poisonous breath can reach that healthful shore. Sickness and sorrow, pain and death are felt and feared no more. I am bound for the promised land. I am bound for the promised land. Oh, who will come and go with me? I am bound for the promised land. Then I shall reach that happy place. I'll be forever blessed, for I shall see my Father's face, and in his bosom